Hello people, I'm Jaby KOAY, joined by Rayna Vallandingham. Not landing on a ham, although that would be pretty epic.
That'd be fun.
A flip and landing on a ham.
Oh, yes.
So she is a martial artist, a very, very excellent one at that, both in practical and impractical self-defense.
Self-titled that too.
So yeah, be sure to check out her Instagram with all her ass kickery going on there. We're gonna look at dumbest scientists on YouTube from Slayy. Thank you, Slayy, for allowing us to react. That's very, very much appreciated. Y'all, if you could subscribe and hit that bell icon, all notifications, and vote this video up to let YouTube know you're enjoying what you're watching. There's a link in the description below for the video that we're about to watch. You can click on that, get the original and upvote, and subscribe to them from there. All right, here we go.
Guys, मुझे अब अपने सिंगल पने का ढिंडोरा पीटना बंद करना पड़ेगा। ये दुख अब खुशखबरी की तरह फैल रहा है। मुझे नहीं पता था कि किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरा YouTube उससे मिलाने में लग जाता है यार। ये मुझे कौन से बेरोजगार ठरकी अंधेरों वाले एड्स दिखा रहे हो? डेटिंग ऐप, इनके साथ डेट पे क्या मैं आशीर्वाद लेने जाऊंगा या दिवाली की सोन पापड़ी देने? YouTube को मेरा स्टैंडर्ड इतना गिरा हुआ लगता है।
You know, okay, on the real, I forgot the guy's name. There was this dude who was like a Call of Duty expert. He came across this video from an Australian or New Zealander comedian guy who was talking about a Mexican weather girl who was gorgeous. And he used his YouTube following to get this girl's attention. He's like, please help me get at her attention. She responded. They ended up dating for years.
Wow.
Like, this is totally within the realm of possibility. Like, I believe all of this, that he's making a joke about it, but I believe all of it. And the thing about it is, I had thought about that. I'm like, gosh, if there was someone famous that just someone whose attention I want, like, help me get that girl's attention. Like, is it possible? I can make babies.
Right. I mean, it's a modern day love story right there.
Exactly.
If you think about it.
यार अब आते हैं आज के टॉपिक।
Hey handsome, tired of boring dates?
लंगड़े को कितना भी हुसैन बोल्ट बुलाओ, उससे अपना पोटेंशियल पता है।
अब कौन कहता है कि इंडिया में साइंस लेना है आत्महत्या?
कमाल का एक्सपेरिमेंट था, मजा आ गया।
कौन कहता है कि साइंटिस्ट को साइंस आना चाहिए?
अनार के ऊपर कुछ इस तरीके से फिर अनार को चलाएंगे।
टाइट्रेशन, फिल्ट्रेशन, सोशल नेशन और लाइम वाटर टर्न्स मिलके करके किसी का करियर बना है? करियर बनते हैं पटरियों पे टूथपेस्ट चिपका के, टंकियों से तरबूज फेंक के और सुतली बॉम्ब से गाड़ियां जला के
आग लगा देंगे।
You know, there's a destructive part of me that is just like morbidly curious about some of these things. Like the toothpaste on the train track. It's stupid, but it's like, let's see what happens.
Yeah, I mean, it is oddly satisfying in a way. I see it on like the Snapchat oddly satisfying stuff all the time.
गाड़ी के अंदर पटाखे पटाखे बजने वाले हैं।
अबे अमीर बाप के साइंटिस्ट औलाद पुराने गाड़ी से टार्जन द वंडर कार बनाते हैं, ये नहीं।
God. Cinematic pollution.
एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, लेकिन काफी ज्यादा गर्मी है यहाँ पे।
हाँ, क्या बात कर रहा है?
ये आप लोगों का प्यार चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
तो टिंडर पे जाओ ना, ऐसे तो सिर्फ रोहित शेट्टी का प्यार मिलना है।
तो ऐसी बाइक जो कि
Okay, that was a very, very fast thing. Kabir Singh 2.0. Kabir Singh is a movie about a guy who is a doctor who is very obsessed with this particular girl. They end up falling in love, etc., etc. But there's like some like very memorable sequences of him just riding around on his motorcycle, and so that's why it says Kabir Singh 2.0.
I love that.
तो ऐसी बाइक जो कि एकदम फर्राटा चलती है।
हाँ तो बेच दे।
इस बाइक के ऊपर आग लगा देंगे।
Why?
Why?
Literally, why?
ये बेसिकली एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है कि किसी भी व्हीकल के ऊपर अगर आग लगती है तो किस तरीके से वो जलता है।
अरे मुझे यही तो जानने की तलब थी कि कभी किसी का जानलेवा एक्सीडेंट हो तो नजारा कैसा लगेगा। अरमान पूरे कर दिए इस डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ने। हाँ, बस ऐसे ही पूरे गांव में आग फैला दे।
बेसिकली एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है।
और क्योंकि हम नॉन साइंटिस्ट गवारों को पता नहीं कि चीजें जलाने से जल जाती हैं।
जला है, काली हो गई, एक जल करके काली हो चुकी है, ये भी काला हो गया है, ब्लैक हो गया है।
क्या एनालिसिस है?
पूरी खोखली हो गई है। कैसा लगा आज का ये एक्सपेरिमेंट?
अरे ये अंबानी की भतीजी तो मॉनिटर के साथ ही दिवाली मनाने वाली थी। हैप्पी दिवाली। चल छोड़ते हैं। आपके एक्सपेरिमेंट ने रोक लिया बस।
अपने मीवी स्पीकर के साथ भी एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहे हैं, पर यही लोग फिर बारिश में ले जाने से डरते हैं
कि मेरा स्पीकर खराब न हो जाए।
भाई पोर्टेबल स्पीकर सिर्फ एक रूम से दूसरे रूम ले जाने के लिए थोड़ी ना है। ये भी भूल जाते हैं लोग कि इसी में माइक भी है।
हेलो,
अरे कितना पा देगी यार, मेरे घर तक स्मेल आ रही है।
एक्सक्यूज मी।
अभी तो बिग बैंग सेल भी चल रही है, चेकआउट कर लो, अच्छा मौका है।
होल हो गया, लेकिन यार हम शॉट नहीं ले।
Okay, so there's a lot of blurring going on because they're concerned about YouTube and AdSense and all that stuff. That's why there's blurring, because YouTube will demonetize you for all kinds of random things. Also, they might have gotten requests from the original uploaders to please censor me or whatever. I'm getting hate or whatever, so they'll just block out his face. This block right here looks like something that was done after the video was uploaded. As someone who makes YouTube videos, I know these things. And I never understood this. There are people who have, like, years ago would buy PlayStation 4s or Xboxes or Nintendos and just smash them.
Like, why? It's not a scientific experiment anyway.
It's just oddly satisfying for some people,
like,
I guess.
It's
or
like
they set it on fire as well.
ये बहुत ऊपर गया था लेकिन वो शॉट नहीं
शॉट तो भाई आप ओम प्रकाश से ले लो। ये ऑमलेट भी पटाखों से बनाएंगे। 22 अंडे यानी हफ्तों का खाना बर्बाद। पापा का पैसा।
Doing this video for fun only.
ये बात किसी गरीब के सामने बोल के देखना। एक्सपेरिमेंट अनार एंड बलून, अमेजिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट, ऑसम एक्सपेरिमेंट, जबरदस्त एक्सपेरिमेंट।
ये बलून जाएगा, बलून फट गया है, आपको कोई बात नहीं, हम दूसरा बलून लगाते हैं। तो मुझे ऐसा ख्याल आया कि इस प्रकार का कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट किए, पर क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट करे वो पता नहीं चला। तो आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना। ये वीडियो था सिर्फ हमको सजेशन मिलने के लिए।
अमेजिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट, ऑसम एक्सपेरिमेंट। कॉन्फिडेंस से लोग हक कैसे देते हैं?
It's because we live in an era where people have to use top shelf words for everything. Like, they'll go into an ice cream shop and eat an ice cream, like, oh my god, this ice cream is amazing. Louis C.K. has a famous stand-up bit about the word amazing. And it's like, if you use the word amazing for ice cream, what are you going to use for when Jesus comes back? Like, what do you use? You know what I'm saying? It's like, we should save some of these words for other things. Like, that ice cream was really, really good. Like, you know, what it deserves. Use the words that are warranted in that situation.
Exactly.
Not amazing. So, you know, he says awesome experiment. It's because, you know, big words are click-worthy, I guess.
It's all about the clickbait now.
Like, oh, sorry, with the balloon.
Yeah, and they put in the asterisk, like, very emotional.
Yeah. Awesome experiment.
Like, thank you.
Terrible.
Experiments.
चीजों के ऊपर से गाड़ी चलाना भी इनके लिए एक्सपेरिमेंट है।
फिर सलमान भाई को भी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स का बहुत शौक रहा होगा ना?
मुझे गाली खाने का बहुत शौक है लग रहा है। एक्सपेरिमेंट, कार वर्सेस बलून। What will happen when you fill balloon and run into them with a car?
Who wants to know that?
हाँ,
Oh, that's pretty
क्या होना था? Wow, OMG. सोसाइटी वाले परेशान है कि रोज।
That would be cool if they shot that with a phantom camera. If they shot that with a camera that gets 10,000 frames per second,
Oh, yeah.
then that's cool.
Yeah, to see it burst in slow motion, that actually is pretty interesting.
Yeah.
I can't lie.
Like, I get really, it's oddly satisfying to watch those balloon videos that are filled with water.
Right.
And you pop it and you just watch the balloon dissipate or like collapse.
Yeah.
And disappear essentially. And all you see is the water hanging in the shape of the balloon for a few seconds.
Yeah, you're right, because it does hold that shape.
Yeah.
And then it collapses.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Wow.
Whereas this is just like,
It's very fast, and it's not pretty colors either, so.
yeah, it's just a
Docked points.
It's just an explosion. And it's like in that terrible slow motion too.
परेशान है कि रोज रोड पे होली कौन खेल के जा रहा है?
Experiments.
बर्फ पे भी गाड़ी चला दी पर कुछ बर्बादी हुई नहीं तो।
लेकिन इसका हम कुछ ना कुछ तो करके जाएंगे। आप लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है तो इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कर देना।
पीछे वाले कंफ्यूज्ड है कि पुलिस स्टेशन कॉल करे या पागल खाना।
ये रोड पे ही छोड़ गए।
एक लाइक चाहिए आप लोगों का, प्यार चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
अब छोटी सी गाड़ी से तो चीजें टूट जाती है, पर क्या पता जब हजारों टन का ट्रेन उसके ऊपर से चल के जाए तो कुछ अलग ही हो जाए। इसलिए बॉल वर्सेस ट्रेन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स। ओ, प्रॉब्लम टैलेंट की नहीं, लोकेशन की थी। अच्छा। अरे बस रे नशेड़ी मैसी, अब क्या नाला सुपारा बुजुर्ग टीम से रिजेक्ट होके मानोगे? अब क्या होगा? कितना शॉकिंग।
Again, like, that would be cool if it was shot with a phantom camera. Obviously, these guys. No, but the thing about it is, you know what? Cameras are on phones are so much more sophisticated than they used to be. You can get like 960 frames per second or something stupid like that.
Exactly.
So
yeah, it's insane.
if it was like that, then maybe it's click-worthy. Maybe it's worthwhile. But just being a regular footage thing, I'm like, well, that's just dumb.
And it also frustrates me because now I want to see it in slow motion. Oh.
I'm so mad.
I'm so mad. I'm going to throw an Xbox on the floor.
Exactly.
G-Shock versus train. Do not repeat. भाई हमारे पास दिमाग है और पैसा नहीं, तो तो रिपीट तो हम करने से रहे। डू नॉट ट्राई दिस एट होम। अबे घर पे कौन सी ट्रेन चलती है? किसी दिन ये सब के चक्कर में ट्रेन डिले हो गई ना, तब बोलना।
गाड़ी से टूटा, ट्रेन से टूटा, पर क्या पता 120 फीट से फ्रिज को फेंके तो शायद एलियंस ही उड़ा ले जाए। इसीलिए ड्रॉप फ्रॉम 120 फीट एक्सपेरिमेंट।
फ्रिज को फेंकेंगे, टूटेगा या फिर नहीं?
नहीं, फ्रिज कहाँ, धरती टूटेगी।
फ्रीज है, काफी मजबूत नजर आ रहा है। फ्रिज भी बहुत ज्यादा मजबूत,
इतना मजबूत है कि गिरने से पहले इसका पोस्टमार्टम हो गया।
किस प्रकार का लगा?
एक कतई यूजफुल एक्सपेरिमेंट। मेरा फ्रिज दुबई जाके स्काई डाइविंग करने वाला था, अब उसे रोकना पड़ेगा।
अब कुछ भी छत से फेंकना है
एक्सपेरिमेंट्स,
और जो कूद फान के हल्का होते हैं ना, उनके लिए
1 2
जहाँ जी रहे अपनी जिंदगी।
हाय, तूने टॉयलेट।
I'm not gonna lie, I was curious to see what would happen to the toilet when you dropped
Oh
it.
gosh, you're just as bad as them.
I'm just curious. Just
The dark side.
Just a tad curious, aren't we all? Aren't we all just a tad curious about what it's gonna look like
Just a
when
little
you?
bit.
It's like there's a lot of people that like to see destruction. They're like, you're just curious. You know, whenever I drank Capri Sun as a kid, I would always blow it up and then jump on it. You know, just to hear, just to like, because I'd like to see it just completely flattened out. I want to see what it looks like inside. I want to hear that explosion echoed through the street, through the neighborhood.
Yeah.
You know, it's very satisfying.
That's true. The watermelon is fun for me. I like seeing the watermelons crash and burn.
I think you're the psycho.
Because it's most like a human head. Just kidding.
फेंक दिया, अब तो टट्टी किस पे करेगा? अरे वो तो अब ये YouTube पे करते हैं ना।
है और हम इसको सीधा ही नीचे ड्रॉप करने वाले हैं।
ड्रॉप कहाँ से? प्लेन? माउंट एवरेस्ट? भगवान मुझे उठा ले।
गाइस, आज हम करेंगे
Why would you put that out?
देखेंगे इस लेज़र को
No.
40,000 फीट से।
मेजर कैसे किया?
इंची टेप से। तो क्या होगा इसके साथ? क्या ये ऊपर भगवान के पास चले जाएगी या कबूतर इसे बीच रास्ते में खा जाएंगे?
गिर जाएगी क्योंकि ग्रेविटी।
क्या होगा? ओ शिट, ये तो नीचे गिर गया। चलो चलो चलो। तो गाइस 1 घंटे से ढूंढ रहे हैं पर इरेजर मिला ही नहीं।
एक्सपेरिमेंट्स,
पर इस अमेजिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट को लाइक करना मत भूलना, सिर्फ आपका प्यार ही तो चाहिए।
अब आ तेरे को फेंकती हूँ 40,000 फीट से।
हाँ, वैसे व्यूज के लिए ट्राई करना तो बनता है। चल।
So that is it for today, guys. वैसे
You know, the views thing, well, he just said that he's offhandedly. It's very, very true. Like, people will do anything for views. There was this news story I'd heard about. This woman and her son lost their dog. The dog died or something like that. And the young boy was really upset. And so this mom, for whatever reason, in the car decided to vlog this moment, like her and her son crying, sad about the dog. And she forgot to hit cut. It was still recording. And she goes, okay, we need to pose for the thumbnail now. Okay, look sad, look sad, look sadder. Like, hold your face like this, like you're really, really sad. She's like, and he's like, Mom, I am sad. She's like, okay, cry some more. He's like, I'm crying. I am crying. I'm really sad and I am crying. She's like, no, but like this, but like this. She's trying to pose him in a sad way for views.
That's awful.
Yeah.
I mean, that's completely tainting a someone's childhood. I mean, not having normal emotional experiences.
Yeah.
God, that's so odd.
So, you know, people will chase views and I think in a way, if you're on social media, if you're on YouTube, in some way you're guilty of that, but it's just like weird the extent that people will go to get views. It's like there's this threshold, this line that it's like you cross where it's just like, okay, that's fucking weird.
It's very
you know what I
weird.
mean? It's odd. It's like, why? When she goes, oh, we'll throw you off next. It's like, oh, well, maybe it'll be good for views. People have done some really dumb shit for views. Like there was this thing where, it's been a long time since I heard this story, but I believe this guy asked his girlfriend to shoot him, but like with holding a book or something, because he thought the book would stop the bullet, and then he got killed, and then she ended up going to jail. No. It was something dumb. It was like really dumb. And it's like, what are you doing for views? Like, why are you risking it? So like, it was just a joke what he's making, but he's actually, and it was offhanded and quick and right at the end, but actually it was very poignant. It's like, people are willing to do a lot of weird, crazy, dumb shit for views.
It's very, very true. So now these guys who are throwing fridges, they don't seem so bad anymore compared to what you just told me.
That seems cool. Keep throwing fridges.
Yeah, keep
Toilets,
doing it. It's harmless, except to the fridge.
Exactly. The motorcycle thing. Why the hell did that guy include that? It's like it failed. It was a failed experiment. Why did you include that?
So anticlimactic.
It's like, I wonder if he was trolling YouTube.
That's got to be satire. Come on.
You'd hope. You'd hope.
I hope so. If it's not, it makes it funnier though.
Sure.
It makes
और
it so
वीडियो को
much
लाइक
funnier.
करो, सब्सक्राइब करना मत।
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना।
ये वीडियो था सिर्फ हमको सजेशन मिलने के लिए।
एक्सपेरिमेंट
Experiment.
They've completely ruined the definition of experiments.
Experiment. God. I want that to be my ringtone now. Experiment. Experiment.
I love that. Oh my god.
There are these certain words that you can use to get people's attention, like awesome, shocking, mind-blowing, you won't believe, you know, like these phrases. And so experiment is another word, I guess, that will get your attention and get you to click on it. And so people will just assign that to the dumbest videos that they're making.
Yeah. I mean, imagine going to science class and your teacher's like, oh, we're going to do an experiment.
Experiment.
And she doesn't bring out a fridge for you to throw?
Yeah. How unsatisfying.
Triggered.
How anticlimactic. Yeah. Where's the toilet?
Where's the toilet, man?
Where's the car we're setting on fire?
Yeah, where's the motorcycle?
I thought we were gonna crush a soccer ball. You guys, thanks so much for hanging out. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Thank you to Slayy for allowing us to react to this. Very, very much appreciate it. Y'all, make sure to Wow, I need to eat something bad. Make sure to follow Rayna Hasselbad. Rayna Vallandingham, landing on a ham sandwich. Vallandingham. Rayna Vallandingham on the Instagram. Vallandingham on the Instagram. Oh man, that rhyme has been there all day and I just saw it.
Oh, I've never seen it in my entire life.
God damn it. Vallandingham on the Instagram. Make sure to follow her there. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon, all notifications. Vote this up to let YouTube know you're enjoying what you're watching. I'm Jaby KOAY. This is
Rayna Vallandingham.
Peace out.